Hello, my name is Jalal Kalmoni. I'm going to be answering question 2 of this assignment. So I'm going to be speaking about the organizational, management, and strategic challenges faced by Acer. So to start, there's the 3 organizational challenges I put out, which were the poor man's philosophy, as while they were growing back in the days, they just kept renting office spaces and wasted a lot of money on that. Another organizational challenge was Liu becoming CEO because he had a difference from the CEO before him. He had a more of a family oriented, and Liu was more based on numbers. And three, client server organization. So uh, Taiwan acts as a server with its resources to support uh, client business units. It operates under a form of a network to rebuild solid bases for the firm. Moving on to the management challenges, there's the radical change in management, which, as I spoke in the slide before, and my partner is going to speak about in detail in the third question. The change from Shi as CEO to Liu, as they both had complete different managing styles. The employees were used to one management style, and having someone come with a different management style can be very different and difficult to get used to. And there's the austerity campaign, uh, and which had an end to 300 workers in 1991 because Acer had a decline during that time. And also the lack of culture and values from new managers. Because of that, a shift from the organizational communist culture appeared, and there was a first significant turnover in Acer. And lastly, the strategic challenges. There are a few more strategic challenges. Uh, to begin with, as the joint venture business model. So Acer basically decided to get into the joint venture business model to expand its sales, but didn't really work quite well. Then there was Acer's IPO when they went public. The first 2 years, their stock price skyrocketed, and after that, just crashed and was stable for the remaining years. And as shown in the graph in the case study, also there was the Dragon Dream, which was to have overseas acquisition, get offshore firms, look for foreign partners and distributors or suppliers. And Project Aspire and the Altos acquisition. The Altos acquisition was when Acer acquired the Altos company and wasn't doing well, and it didn't show any sign of improvement. Thank you.